Originally from India's Himalayan foothills, the miracle tree, Moringa, has proven to be a formidable and hardy plant that has spread all over the tropical regions of the globe. According to some sources, Moringa has 7 times the vitamin C of oranges, 10 times the vitamin A of carrots, and 25 times the iron of spinach. However, its benefits extend far beyond nutritional supplementation. Moringa's potential to support chronic disease prevention, enhance heart health, and promote skin and digestive health underscores its importance in our diets. But do the health benefits of this magical plant that everyone seems to be raving about really exist? Well, in today's video, we will find out in detail. As a special bonus, we have also found out how you may add moringa powder to your diet toward the end of the video. Let's start. 1. Nutrient-rich. Moringa powder, derived from the dried leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, is a powerhouse of nutrients, making it one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. According to research, individuals who perform regular physical activities need about 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight to repair their muscles. In a 100-gram dry leaf moringa powder, you get almost 27 grams of protein, making it an excellent plant source of protein. Furthermore, moringa powder is also an excellent source of calcium, with about 2,000 milligrams per 100 grams, which is more than 4 times the calcium found in milk. Calcium is vital for the development and maintenance of strong bones and teeth, muscle function, and nerve signaling. Iron content is substantial as well, with 28 milligrams per 100 grams. This is particularly important for preventing anemia and boosting energy levels by enhancing the blood's oxygen carrying capacity. 2. Antioxidant Abundance. The antioxidant content in moringa powder is impressive. For instance, it contains about 17 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, a potent antioxidant that helps repair tissue, enhance iron absorption, and boost the immune system. Vitamin E, another antioxidant present in moringa powder, helps protect cell membranes against oxidative damage. Vitamin A, with its 9,620 international units per 100 grams in moringa powder, not only supports vision and immune health, but also acts as an antioxidant. When the body metabolizes food or is exposed to environmental stresses like pollution and cigarette smoke, free radicals are produced. These free radicals seek stability by reacting with cellular components, causing damage to proteins, lipids, and DNA in the process. Antioxidants in moringa powder donate electrons to free radicals, neutralizing them and preventing them from causing harm. This antioxidant action helps reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases and aging. Furthermore, the antioxidants in moringa powder may modulate the body's inflammatory processes. Inflammation is the body's response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation may lead to diseases. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants in moringa reduce inflammation and, consequently, the risk of chronic health conditions. A study showed that the plant extract is a strong antioxidant, similar to Trolox, a known antioxidant. It worked well in neutralizing harmful radicals, with its effectiveness measured at about 78 micrograms per milliliter. 3. Lowers blood sugar levels. Chlorogenic acid, present in significant amounts in moringa powder, plays a pivotal role in blood sugar management. It does this by inhibiting the activity of the enzyme alpha-glucosidase, which breaks down carbohydrates into glucose in the digestive system. By slowing carbohydrate breakdown, the release of glucose into the bloodstream is moderated, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Moreover, chlorogenic acid enhances the sensitivity of cells to insulin, the hormone responsible for glucose uptake from the bloodstream into cells. Improved insulin sensitivity means that cells are better able to respond to insulin, thereby facilitating the removal of glucose from the blood more efficiently. This mechanism further aids in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Isothiocyanates, another group of compounds found in moringa powder, also contribute to its anti-diabetic effects. These compounds improve insulin secretion and function, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. By enhancing the pancreas's ability to produce insulin in response to elevated blood glucose and improving the effectiveness with which insulin facilitates glucose uptake into cells, isothiocyanates help keep blood sugar levels within a healthy range. A study conducted on 90 postmenopausal women without diabetes showed that daily oral consumption of 7 grams of moringa leaf powder during 3 months significantly reduced fasting blood glucose levels and increased hemoglobin values. 4. Improves cholesterol levels. Moringa powder influences cholesterol through its rich content of antioxidants, such as beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol, with a structure similar to cholesterol. Beta-sitosterol competes with dietary cholesterol for absorption in the digestive system, effectively reducing the amount of cholesterol that enters the bloodstream. By limiting cholesterol absorption, moringa powder helps in lowering the total cholesterol levels, including LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, due to its association with an increased risk of heart disease. Additionally, Moringa oleifera has been found to significantly reduce levels of triglycerides in the blood, which is known to increase the risk of heart disease. At the same time, they increase the levels of good HDL cholesterol, which helps to protect against heart problems. This dual action not only helps in lowering the harmful fats that may clog arteries and lead to heart issues, but also boosts the beneficial fats that support heart health. Moreover, moringa powder's high fiber content plays a crucial role in cholesterol management. Dietary fibers bind to bile acids in the intestine. Bile acids are made from cholesterol in the liver and are involved in the digestion of fats. When fibers bind to bile acids, it prompts the body to use more cholesterol to produce more bile acids, thereby lowering the levels of cholesterol in the blood. This process not only reduces LDL cholesterol, but also helps regulate the body's cholesterol balance. 5. Protects against arsenic toxicity. Moringa powder contains specific compounds capable of chelating or binding heavy metals, thereby reducing their bioavailability and facilitating their excretion from the body. Among these, compounds like flavonoids, phenolic acids, and certain proteins have been identified for their chelating properties. These substances attach to heavy metals, preventing them from interacting with other essential biological molecules and helping to safely remove them from the body. Moreover, the presence of chlorophyll in moringa powder also contributes to its detoxifying effects. Chlorophyll has been shown to bind with heavy metal ions, thus aiding in their elimination. This action is particularly beneficial for cleansing the liver, a primary detoxification organ. Additionally, moringa powder's nutritional content supports the body's natural detoxification pathways. For example, it provides a significant amount of zinc, a mineral essential for the proper function of enzymes involved in detoxification processes within the liver. Zinc not only helps in metabolizing toxic substances, but also plays a role in stabilizing cell membranes against oxidative damage. In a study, aqueous moringa extract reduced toxic metal accumulation and oxidative stress in yeast exposed to arsenite, cadmium, nickel, and lead. Gallic acid, a component of this extract, was notably effective against arsenic toxicity by preventing its accumulation and reducing oxidative damage. 6. Enhances brain health. Oxidative stress is primarily responsible for harming our brain health. 40 different types of antioxidants in moringa powder, such as vitamin C and E, quercetin and beta-carotene, play a pivotal role in neutralizing free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, and maintaining cognitive health. A 14-day animal study revealed that Moringa oleifera effectively combats Alzheimer's like symptoms induced by high homocysteine levels. It not only reversed cognitive decline and oxidative stress, but also improved brain protein levels and reduced key Alzheimer's markers, such as abnormal tau protein modifications and amyloid beta production. Moringa powder also boasts a high content of omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients for brain health. These fatty acids, particularly docosahexaenoic acid, are crucial for the maintenance of neuronal membrane fluidity and function. They support cognitive processes such as memory, learning, and reasoning. The brain's optimal performance is heavily dependent on adequate omega-3 levels, underscoring the importance of moringa powder in supporting mental acuity and protecting against cognitive decline. The ability of moringa to modulate brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that is essential for neurogenesis, the growth of new neurons, and synaptic plasticity, which is essential for learning and memory, lends additional support to its neuroprotective effects. Compounds in moringa, such as isothiocyanates, have been shown to stimulate BDNF production, thereby supporting brain health and function. 7. Boosts immunity. At the forefront of moringa powder's immune-boosting properties are its high levels of vitamin C and vitamin A. Vitamin C supports the production and function of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections, and it enhances the skin's defense system by acting as a barrier against pathogens. Along with that, vitamin A plays a critical role in maintaining the integrity of mucosal barriers, including the gut lining and the respiratory tract, and protecting the body from entry by harmful microbes. Beyond vitamins, moringa powder is rich in essential minerals like zinc and iron. Zinc, which is necessary for the development and function of immune cells, supports the integrity of the immune system and plays a role in the regulation of immune responses. Iron is integral to the production of red blood cells and the transportation of oxygen to tissues, including those of the immune system, ensuring its proper functioning. As you may know, chronic inflammation may suppress the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections. The anti-inflammatory properties of compounds like quercetin and beta-carotene found in moringa powder mitigate this risk, thereby supporting immune health. Moreover, moringa has shown promise in suppressing the progression of autoimmune diseases, including rheumatoid arthritis, atopic dermatitis, and multiple sclerosis, highlighting its versatility as a powerful natural remedy. 8. Promotes healthy skin. Vitamin A, found in moringa powder in substantial amounts, is crucial for skin health. It stimulates the production of new skin cells, helping to replace old, damaged cells more quickly. This not only keeps the skin fresh and rejuvenated, but also aids in the healing process of wounds and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Alongside that, vitamin C, with its antioxidant properties found in moringa powder, plays a pivotal role in the synthesis of collagen, a protein that gives the skin its elasticity and strength. Collagen production diminishes with age, leading to the development of wrinkles. Vitamin C's role in boosting collagen synthesis is essential for maintaining a youthful, firm skin texture. Moringa powder is also rich in vitamin A, a lipid-soluble antioxidant that protects the skin from oxidative damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Vitamin E's protective action extends to limiting UV damage to the skin, which is vital for preventing premature aging and maintaining skin health. Furthermore, zinc, another vital nutrient found in moringa powder, supports the healing of skin wounds and the treatment of acne by regulating sebum production and reducing inflammation. Its antimicrobial properties further contribute to managing acne-causing bacteria. Additionally, Moringa oleifera has shown promise in treating skin conditions like atopic dermatitis and psoriasis and combating herpes simplex virus infections. 9. Supports weight loss. One of the key ways moringa powder aids in weight loss is through its high fiber content. Dietary fiber is known for its ability to promote feelings of fullness, which may help reduce overall calorie intake by minimizing snacking and overeating. Moreover, moringa powder is rich in high-quality proteins, providing all 9 essential amino acids. Proteins are crucial for weight loss as they have a higher thermic effect compared to fats and carbohydrates, meaning the body uses more energy to digest and metabolize them. This increased energy expenditure may boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Additionally, proteins are vital for muscle repair and growth, especially during weight loss, to ensure that the body is losing fat and not muscle mass. Preserving muscle mass is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism, as muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue does. Antioxidants in moringa powder, such as chlorogenic acid and quercetin, also contribute to weight loss. Chlorogenic acid, in particular, has been shown to influence fat metabolism and glucose absorption in the gut. By regulating blood sugar levels, moringa powder may help prevent the spikes and crashes that often lead to cravings and overeating. In a 3-month-long animal study, Moringa oleifera leaf extract had a significant reduction in body weight compared to the obese group. 10. Improves digestive health. The dietary fiber in moringa powder plays a crucial role in digestive health. Fiber aids in the regulation of bowel movements by adding bulk to stool, which helps it pass more easily through the digestive tract. This may prevent common digestive problems, such as constipation, and promote regularity. Furthermore, fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut microbiota is essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. While the exact fiber content may vary, moringa powder is generally high in fiber, contributing significantly to the daily recommended intake. In a study, after 3 months of using moringa oleifera leaf extract, significant increases in beneficial gut bacteria, bifidobacteria and lactobacillus, were observed in the treated group. The bifidobacteria levels in the moringa treated group rose by 170%, indicating a healthy digestive system. The antioxidants in moringa powder also help protect the integrity of the gut lining by getting rid of free radicals. This makes sure that nutrients are absorbed properly and lowers the risk of inflammation-related diseases like IBS and ulcerative colitis. Moreover, compounds in moringa such as isothiocyanates have been shown to exhibit anti-inflammatory effects, which may help soothe the digestive tract and alleviate symptoms of digestive conditions. How do you add moringa powder to your diet? Incorporating moringa powder into your diet is both easy and beneficial. given its nutritional profile. Here are several simple and versatile ways to add moringa powder to your daily meals and snacks. 1. Smoothies. Blend moringa powder into your morning smoothie. It pairs well with fruits like bananas, mangoes, and berries. 2. Teas and drinks. Stir a teaspoon of moringa powder into a glass of warm water or your favorite herbal tea. 3. Soups and stews. Sprinkle moringa powder into soups, stews, or broths before serving. It adds nutrients without compromising the flavor, especially in vegetable-based or clear soups. 4. Baking. Substitute a small portion of flour with moringa powder in your recipes. This not only boosts the nutritional content, but also gives your baked goods a slight green hue. 5. Salad dressings. Create a nutrient-packed salad dressing by whisking moringa powder into olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. This dressing may be drizzled over fresh salads for a healthy addition. Incorporating moringa powder into your diet offers a simple yet effective way to boost your nutrient intake and enjoy a range of amazing health benefits. As we've explored, its nutritional prowess supports everything from digestive health to weight management and immune function. However, it's important to remember that while moringa is a powerful supplement, consulting with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplement routine is crucial, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medication. Today, we learned about all the good things that happen when you consume moringa powder. But did you know that there are other useful things in your pantry that may be just as helpful? Want to find out more? Watch 12 powerful health benefits of apple cider vinegar you never knew about. Or watch use baking soda on your body every day for 1 month. See what happens. You may watch either or both of them. Will you be trying moringa powder in your diet from now on? Let us know in the comments section below.